Floripa. Happy New Year 2024, beautiful people.
Hey
guys! Hey!
Hey!
We're at Floripa Beach. Floripa. We're just doing a walk around the beach, you know what I mean? It's sunny, but it's a little bit cool. There's a fresh breeze that's going on. So everything is just cool. Just beautiful scenery. Christmas, but it's like nothing is going on around the beach. So it's like that. Hi. Miguel is giving us a hard time. Look! Have you seen the big sheep? Yeah? Where is it? Where is the sheep?
Yes.
One of the mites of having toddlers. That's it. Every 1 minute he's shouting he wants to go to the sea, but he can't swim. So he's screaming. Check this out, like, you know, beautiful, very beautiful. Look at this. This is Floripa, you know what I mean? This is Floripa. For enough of this, Santa Catarina, touchdown, Centro, here. This is marvelous. See, the view is everything. Merry Christmas, everybody. Here is a Merry Christmas. Merry. I think there should be a free gym here. You can see here. So we have a lot of gym equipment, which is cool. All free. Just by the beach as well. And there is some fishing going on somewhere there. I didn't want to take video when I'm close to them without the authorization. But there's fishing going on there. See there? The boys are doing the gym. That's cool. Wow. Nice. Yeah. I love Floripa. Do you love Floripa? Here, for sure. My favorite city. Oh. They never want to pose for a photo. So I'm just taking random. I love Floripa. He has gone under the love. Miguel, let's go. No, don't touch. Come. Let's go, let's go. Miguel, Tish, let's go. Yes, mommy. The light. Yes, the light. Let's go. He doesn't want to go. Oh my God. Miguel. Let's go. Miguel. Let's go. Peekaboo. I see you, Peekaboo. Come here. Peekaboo. Let's go. Let's go. I love you. Nice. This nice place. There's some right there. Hi. Hi. Oh, the white stones. Nice.
Nice.
Yeah, they're having a good time. Whoa, this nice white nice area. Wow. Sube Floripa.
Yes.
Shopping stick
No.
photos. Boom, boom, boom. Boom. You see? Marcelito. Boom, boom, boom. Very nice. Free Christmas gift from their government, right? Government of Floripa. So every child has this ball.
Look.
Firework.
Firework. Look. Finish the top.
Look at the
So funny.
Happy New Year, everyone.
Feliz Natal e Feliz Ano Novo a gente.
I wish you more prosperity.
Mais propriedade a gente.
I wish you more success.
Mais sucesso a todos.
I wish you more good health.
Boa sorte, amiga.
I wish you more blessings.
Benções a todos.
I wish you more money.
Mais dinheiro para minha família.
And I wish you more love.
E mais amor a todos.
I know for sure, I've been missing in action for a very long time. But yeah, my beautiful people, thank you so much for all of the concern, all the love that I've been receiving. I'm fine, I'm good. I've just been busy lately. I know that 2024 has a lot. I'll be posting regularly. Just wait for it. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel, pause. This is 2024. You need to subscribe and hit the notification bell so that you get updated every time I upload a video. Muito Feliz Natal! Spider-Man! Yay! See a Spider-Man?
Yes.
You like it? Oh! Open it! Open it! Shoes!
Mommy, thank you. Dad's thank you.
Nice shoes! Oh, Marcelo! Feliz Natal! Happy New Year! Nice! Spider-Man! Ooh! You like it? You like Spider-Man? Marcelo loves Spider-Man so much, and all his gift is Spider-Man. So I already know he loves Spider-Man. So Spider-Man stuff from school. I have a gift from Uncle, your tablet. Miguel from Daddy. Say thank you, Dada. See your kitchen stuff? Marcelo from Daddy. You, nice. You want to be a And you see the telescope? Ooh, the alphabet. A to Z. We're going to do it in the evening, okay? Miguel, from school. Miguel. From school. From mommy.
Wow, new car. Mommy, thank you. Cheese.
Eat cheese. Let's go. Marcelo.
It's fork.
Good. What's this?
Knife.
What is this?
Plate.
What is this?
Corn.
Corn. Boy, what's this? Croissant. What's this?
Stop.
What's this?
Chocolate.
Chocolate. Good. What's this?
Pot.
What is this?
It's pan.
So we're in the kitchen. We're going to cook. So what are we going to cook? We're going to cook croissant, right? Miguel, let's go. Take the stove. We put the pot. Then you put the croissant. And then you turn it on here. Good. My gift is an eyeshadow. You have to turn the croissant. Turn it. Turn it. Nice. And the ministry continues. My face is going to be facing in this 2024. This is so very nice of Marcelo's school. He has been telling me a lot about Spider-Man and he wants me to get an outfit. I've already seen some hoodies which I want to get for him, but I'm so shocked that his school also discovered that he likes Spider-Man. So they got him an outfit. Spider-Man t-shirt, Spider-Man pants and shoes. So it's going to match. Miguel got this from school, which is also very nice. See, this is like artwork. This is Miguel's like handprint here, and this is named George Miguel. Cool. And he got this. I think this is what he did as well. You're eating croissant?
Yes.
Did it burn you? If it burn you, then you have to make a call. Hello?
Oh, hello.
What's your name?
Jersey Marcelo.
All right. What do you want?
I want blue car.
You want a blue car? Okay.
Yes.
I'm coming. See you soon.
Bye.